Hi everybody, Caleb Everett here from Career College of California. How are you today? I've got a great tip for you today, which is how to make a professional profile website with your resume and a portfolio of your best work so you can stand out from the crowd with potential employers. You can get this done in under 30 minutes and it's completely free. All it takes is a Gmail account, and when you're done, you'll be able to include this website, a link to this website, in your emails, on your LinkedIn profile, even put a hyperlink in your resume so that when employers come across your information, they're sure to click on it and find out how qualified you are and how organized and proactive you are that you went to the trouble to put something like this together. So let's go ahead and get started.
So let's get logged into your Gmail account. The first thing you're going to do is find the website template and use it to create your new website. So to do that, you're going to click in the upper right hand corner of the Gmail window and open up the Sites application. Then you're going to hit the red Create button. Hit Browse the Gallery for more and then type in CCC Professional Profile, and that should pop up the free website template we're going to use. Type in a name for your site. I would try to use your first and last name for the label and also for the website address. If the website address for your name isn't available, I would suggest adding a number to the end of it so that you can still use your name. Now you've got a live website. Anybody can access this site from anywhere on the internet. Okay, so now we're into our site here, and our site is super simple. It just consists of 3 pages: an about page with a profile picture, contact information, and a brief area for a statement about you, a resume, which includes a button to your LinkedIn profile if you have one, and a portfolio page, which will be the spot where you showcase what you think is your best work or work that potential employers might be most interested in. So let's start on the About page, and let's upload a picture of you in this section here. In order to edit this, you need to go to More and Edit Site Layout. And then just click into this box here. A rich text editor area comes up. You can delete out the big C that's there. And then you're going to insert an image. Go Insert, Image, and your image is probably not here, but let's go ahead and upload an image. You might have an image on your computer that you want to put in. Let's go ahead and select that. That uploads, and we'll go OK. And then go ahead and you can edit up your contact information down here, Caleb Everett. Nice little touch down here is to have your phone number be clickable and have your email be clickable. I've already got the codes in there to have them be clickable, and the best way for you to edit them without having to learn the code is to hit this HTML button. And that looks a little bit like gobbledygook, but it's really not that bad. If you just type your phone number in here and then type your phone number in here as a replacement, that'll work, and then put your email address, same thing, in here and here. So we're done with that piece there. We'll go ahead and hit close on that, and we've got our nice profile picture. You'll undoubtedly have a nicer picture than that one of you up there. To edit this section here, you just click this pencil button here, and then you can just come down here and type in whatever you'd like to type in for your update. Same thing here, I've got some hyperlinks in to the resume page and to the My Portfolio page. You can create those links using this link button here. Go ahead and save that. Now on to the resume page. The main part of the resume page, and the same thing is going to be true of the portfolio page, is a link to some Google Docs. If you're not familiar with Google Docs, it's a really great resource. I'm not going to go into that here. This assumes that you've got your resume uploaded to Google Docs and then ready to be linked into your page. Let's start actually though at the top with the LinkedIn button. Let's go ahead and hit Edit here. And if you mouse over this little box here, this gadget, a gear wheel will pop up. Pop the gear wheel, and then you'll see here there's a website, a spot for a website address. If you find your LinkedIn profile, copy your LinkedIn profile URL, pop it in there, and then that will make that button go to your LinkedIn profile. Down here, to get your resume in here, just hit this gear, and then all you're going to do is hit change, and you will just select your Google Doc version of your resume. I'm going to keep ours selected here to the resume template, but it's really just as simple as that. And then once you hit save here, you will end up with your resume in here and your LinkedIn profile. By the way, that resume template is for public consumption. Anybody can use that. It's available on Google Docs. If you don't have a resume already, this is a format that we use here at Career College of California successfully, and you're welcome to use that. Last page is your portfolio page. Go ahead and click over to that tab. Same concept here. You're going to go ahead and hit the pencil button there to edit this gadget here. Hit the gear wheel, and then instead of linking to a document, you're just going to link to a folder. And I've only got one folder that shows up here, but same thing. You would go into Google Drive, create a folder, put whatever projects or work that you think employers would be most interested in into that folder, and then go ahead and link it in here on this page. The one tip on that though, which is really important, is absolutely make sure that you've got your sharing settings such that anybody who clicks on those links can find them. You go to all this trouble to create an impression and make it easy for employers to find you, and it would be really bad if they clicked on a link and they couldn't get to your information. So really that's pretty much it. Once you have this all set up, you're really ready to go, and you can copy this URL here out of the browser and use that to create hyperlinks on your resume or your LinkedIn profile, or even to include in emails. So really that's pretty much it. Really hope you take the time to put this together and that it works out well for you. If you end up with some positive response from employers, I'd love to get a comment or two back on this post here, just to know that this kind of stuff is working and people are getting value out of it. Best of luck, and may this help distinguish you from the masses that are out looking for jobs, and have a great day. Bye-bye.